What's up, guys? The day I've all been waiting for. Woo. All right. So today I finally received, I don't know if you watched in the last video where you saw that I was talking about replacing the DJI Osmo Action as my primary vlogging camera and replacing it with something made for vlogging. So today's that day. Right now, this is being filmed on the A7 III with the 28 to 75mm Tamron lens. So this is gonna be my main camera that I'm gonna use for this setup. The in-home kind of unboxing type of vlog, tutorial, whatever I end up doing in this setup. That'll be the A7 III. But the Osmo Action is still very, very, very useful. I'm gonna be using it for a lot of car shots, a lot of action shots, a lot of mounting it in places that I can't fit any other camera shots. And also, I'm using it right now. You can't see it, it's out of frame, but I'm using it right now and it's pointing down at this stuff on a little tripod. That way I can kind of see the that way you guys can kind of see the unboxing type stuff that I'm gonna do. So yeah, so the Osmo Action is still gonna be very useful, but super excited because this just came in and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of it. I'm not gonna review it. There's countless reviews on YouTube of this camera and you can go see tons of them. I've watched pretty much all of them because I wanted to know everything I could before I got it. So this is gonna be a quick unboxing. I'm just gonna show you pretty much my setup and how I'm gonna use it for vlogging, and yeah, so let's get into it. Side note, the camera came in today. These other two accessories came in a few days ago that are for this. So side note, that's why you just saw me pick up this package in front, but these two were already here, but I didn't want to open them yet because I wanted to wait and do everything at once. So this is for you guys. So let's get started. Let's put these aside for now. Actually, no. I'm gonna put this aside for now. We're gonna open these first. So let's see what this is. Oh, so this is a mini tripod. It's like an extension selfie stick tripod. So we'll open that up fully in a second. And then this is memory card.
This is clutch, this is key.
Because I ordered the camera with not the bundle kit, so it didn't come with a memory card, so I had to order a memory card for it. And as you can see there, it's the Sony SDXC UHS2 card, 64 gig. There's one caveat with this card that I'm gonna open it up and find out, and fingers crossed that I'm all good. But Jared Poland put a video out a day or so, or a couple days ago.
On June 11th, Sony support issued a statement regarding specific SD cards failing to do the one thing they need to do, which is record your data properly.
Yes, but he did note that on the back of it, you can check to see if there are certain ones that are good and certain ones that are not good that are being recalled, and you can send it back and get a new one. So let's open this up and see if this is one. He said that if you look at the bottom of the back of the card, there's a little like asterisk. So if you have a star, a little asterisk on the bottom back of the card, you should be all good. We got lucky. We got lucky, guys. You can't see it, and even if I hold it up, but this has a little tiny asterisk in the bottom back corner of the SD card. So that means we're good to go. And we can use this card for the new camera. I don't know if you guys can see it really well there, but it's at the bottom corner right here. Little tiny asterisk. So yeah, super excited about that. Comes with a little case that we'll probably never use because this will stay in the camera, but for now, we'll put it back in there. So that is item number one, memory card. Item number two is the tripod, which I got this one and I might order a couple more and try some different ones out, but this seemed to be like the best option for getting at. This is the Ulanzi MT-08, as you guys can see there, Ulanzi MT-08. And what it is, it's got a little twisty knob here for adjusting the ball head of it. And you can tighten it there, which is kind of easy. And it feels really good in the hand, actually. It feels comfortable. It feels comfortable in the hand. Like this is something that you could hold all day. But what's cool about it also is it extends. It extends to about, I'd say about 10 inches or so.
That's what she said.
Here's the thing. With the new camera that I'm about to unbox, everybody knows already that it's not quite a wide enough angle for typical vlogging scenario. We all want a wider angle lens, but I got this because this way I can kind of angle it a little bit, I can hold it out, and this should give me that little bit of more reach where I don't think I'll need a wider angle. But I did actually order a wide angle adapter for it, so that should be here soon. So yeah, so we got this, which is super compact, and the whole point of this camera is being compact and easy to take around with you, and that's, you know, part of it. So I didn't want to get a big tripod, or even I didn't want to get the Sony grip for it. Ooh, I kind of just gave part of it away. But I didn't want to get the Sony grip for it. I didn't give anything away. You guys probably already saw in the title what this video is about, so spoiler alert, it's a Sony camera. I didn't want to get the bundle that had the Sony Vlogger grip for it because I just personally didn't see enough use for it. It doesn't extend. It looks super comfortable to hold from the videos I've seen, but all you can really do is you can zoom, you can take a picture from it, you can press record from it, and you can do all that. I didn't really find a need for it, so I got this little guy. It was only 20 bucks on Amazon, and it seems like a really good build quality. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into the main box. Let's try not to cut myself here. Like I said, not doing an entire review of this camera because there are plenty. Wow, this box is way smaller than I expected. Lo and behold, this is the new Sony ZV-1 vlogger camera. This camera has only been out for less than a month, and people are already hating on it because it doesn't have a wide enough angle lens, and I get it. I wish it did, and that's why I was using the Osmo Action, because I love how, like, wide angle, you don't ever have to worry about anything being out of frame. But pretty much everyone that uses Sony, that are vloggers, that are YouTubers, have been pretty much telling Sony to, you know, give us a vlogging camera with a flip out screen. That's been the main thing, is the flip out screen. Everybody wants a flip out screen. I think that's awesome, and that's one of the main reasons I got it. But I feel like no matter what they come out with, somebody's always gonna ask for something more. You know, just like this does, you know, it does 4K up to 30, it does 1080 up to 120. But now people are gonna be like, well, I wish it did, you know, 4K to 120 and yada, yada, yada. I'm not looking at this as like the perfect vlogging camera like everybody's questioning it being, because that's what they're marketing it as. It does say content creators and vloggers. So I think if you look at it from a standpoint of a content creator, this really is the perfect camera. Sure, it could have better internal audio. Sure, it could have a wider angle lens, but this has pretty much got everything you could want in a point and shoot camera. Something that you can literally put in your pocket, something that is super compact. If you're a Sony user, it's gonna be super easy for you to use. But I think it's more than good enough, and especially for what I want as a upcoming vlogger, it's got everything that I want to use in it. But I'm definitely gonna put it through its paces and push it and see what I can do with this camera more than just vlogging. So let's unbox it, see what comes inside, as if you guys don't already know what comes inside. We got paperwork, we have wind muff, I love how small that is. We have charging cable, data cable, and we have, whoa, yeah. Oh, there's one more. Got a battery in here. Yep, and we got a battery. Let's put that down for a second. Put this stuff away. Take this out of the package. Okay, so this is here. We have the the dead cat. Dead cat's a weird name, isn't it? It's more of a toupee. But yeah, this is gonna go on there. We have the battery. Battery goes in. Memory card goes in. Okay. Wow, this is super, super tiny. So here it is, the Sony ZV-1. You all know all the specs in this camera already, just as I do, because there are so many videos and we have watched them all. So I'm not gonna bore you with all the specs. It's a really cool camera, you know? It's definitely, I feel like it lives up to its hype so far as it being good build quality, even though it's plastic. It just feels really good. I feel like the little windscreen here, the dead cat, is probably gonna live on here most of the time. So we'll just put it on there. Look, it's like a little wig. I think people start calling them mic wig. Mic wig? Mic wig. What do you guys think? Should we rebrand the dead cat and call it a mic wig? It's pretty much what it looks like. It's like if a microphone was bald, you gave it a little toupee. So yeah, we have a little mic wig on here. That's what I'm calling it for now. From now on, I'm calling it the mic wig. So you heard it here first. Dead cat. We don't call it that anymore. We call it a mic wig. So from what I understand, I haven't turned it on yet, but as soon as you flip this screen out, it turns on automatically. So let's see if that happens. Okay, sorry for that. I just had to set the time and date, and then it turns on. So you have to, when you get it, you have to initiate it before it, that looks good. So I guess when you first get it, you can't just open the screen and it turns on. You have to turn it on, you have to select the language, you have to set the time and date, initiate it, and then the lens will open up and pop out. Oh, let's attach this, since this is the main reason why we got this little tripod. Have that set like that. Yeah, that looks good. I mean, this feels like the setup, right? Oh, it turned on. What? Cool. So with this extended, oh yeah. I don't know what this is set to right now. Hold on, let me see. All right, so it's on movie mode now, and it's on, God, this feels so good. This is so light. This is literally like, compared to the Osmo Action, I know it's like a lot heavier, but like in the hand, it doesn't feel that much heavier. It feels so light, especially with this little tripod on it. It feels so light. But just to show you guys real quick, I'll switch to this so you can kind of see. So this is what it looks like, fully extended on the grip. I don't know if I have stabilization on, but I'm assuming that I do. So yeah, so this is what it looks like, fully extended out. So this is how I'll be vlogging with it for the most part. If I have it on the grip not extended out, this is what it looks like. So it's not super wide angle, but I think it's wide enough for all intents and purposes. But extending it out, it's like you get that little bit more reach. But like I said, I did order the wide angle adapter for it that I'm gonna put on it. And so that'll even give me a wider field of view, and I won't have to hold it as far away. So I'll be able to hold it like closer to me like this. So this is what it's gonna be like. This is gonna be the main vlogging camera from now on, and super excited about it. Yeah. The reason I didn't want to order that vlogger grip is because I feel like the main thing I would use it for is to hit the record button with my thumb, just holding the grip. 150 bucks or 100 bucks extra right now with the special, just to be able to, that's literally the only thing I think I would use it for. Just to be able to press a record button, I don't think it's really worth it. And it's another battery you gotta worry about, and you gotta connect it to Bluetooth and all that. And this is great. I love this little grip. It's comfortable. Like, it feels good in the hand. The little adjustment knob to adjust the ball head, like my thumb kind of sits on it. So when I'm holding it, it kind of just feels really secure in the hand. It's kind of stepping up my new vlog life that I just kind of started. So this is gonna be the main workhorse for vlogging. And I have an idea of doing something with it that I haven't seen anybody do yet. Everybody that reviews this camera so far is looking at it from a vlogging camera. And yes, it can be definitely used as a vlogging camera, but I think it's just a dope camera. It's a really dope, useful camera that can be used for a lot of different things. So I'm excited about it. Thank you guys for watching this little unboxing of mine and this little quick first thoughts and geeking out a little bit. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna do something special with this. And until then, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share the video with your friends, and I'll see you soon. Peace.